Hi friends, have you been thinking about adding speaker to your resume? If you are a professional, a doctor, an attorney, a business owner, a real estate expert, an influencer, an author, or just an expert in your field, then chances are you've been invited to speak, maybe participate in a panel, and it's so very flattering. But after a while, after you get a few invites, you start to wonder if you should be compensated for your time, for your travel, for your expertise, for your brand, for your audience if you're sharing this on your social media platforms. And the answer is yes. Yes, you should, unless you choose not to. But there is only one thing standing between you being a public speaker and a professional speaker. And by professional, I mean a paid speaker. Do you know what that one thing is? Here, I'll let you guess. Okay, did you guess a speaker one sheet? If you did, you guessed correctly. I am creating a free resource guide that will tell you everything you need to know about creating your very own speaker one sheet. So it answers questions like, what is a one sheet? Why do I need one? What should I include on my one sheet? What should I avoid putting on my one sheet? It also provides you other helpful tips and hints, file size, formats, topics and titles, and so much more. If you're interested in receiving this free resource guide, which will be released on Friday, then sign up at the link in my bio or go to the website aboutactionnow.com. I'd love to send it to you and get you started on your journey to being a paid speaker. All right, friends, remember, knowledge without action is useless. So let's be about action. Bye for now.